Okay. Right question. Question is, hello. All of you write question please. Question is that in figure OACB is a quadrant of a circle with center O, with center O and radius 3.5 centimeter. If OD equal to 2 cm, find area of the number 1 a quadrant OACB. Number 2 area of shaded region. Shaded region. Figure is this. Radius 3.5 cm and 2 cm. Write down. Okay. What is clear now? We have to find the area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. यही ये सब लगता है 11 बजे फोन लगा डेफिनेटली क्वाड्रेंट मींस 1/4 ऑफ अ सर्किल. सर्किल का टोटल 360 डिग्री होता है, उसको 4 से डिवाइड करोगे हाउ मच? ओके. ये यहाँ पर सबसे लास्ट में जवाब दे रहा है और ऑनलाइन भी सब जवाब देता है लास्ट में, और जब सब जवाब दे देता है उसके बाद भी बोलता है. ओके. देन हियर इज अ क्वाड्रेंट. वी विल राइट area per quadrant. Find the area of quadrant OACB equal to OACB equal to आप तो थीटा बाई 360 से भी निकाल सकते हो या एरिया ऑफ क्वाड्रेंट से भी निकाल सकते हैं, दोनों से निकाल सकते हैं. तब लिखेंगे किसे बनाया जाए बोलिए. तो पाई आर स्क्वायर बाई 4. 1/4 ऑफ एरिया ऑफ सर्किल इज नोन एज एरिया ऑफ क्वाड्रेंट. 1/4 ऑफ सर्किल इज नोन एज एरिया ऑफ क्वाड्रेंट. ओके. देन 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5 by 4 into 10 into 10. ये डेसिमल कैंसिल. नाउ 7 5 क्या 5 2 क्या 11. 2, 7. 77 by 8. How much? How much? 9.5. 9.63. ओके 50 हो जाएगा ना। 9 अच्छा 9.62 एसेट्रा सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर 6 to 5 भी हो जाएगा। ओके दिस इज द एरिया ऑफ क्वाड्रेंट। एरिया ऑफ quadrant. Now, area of shaded region. It will be answer for the second question. Area of shaded region. Okay, may I have the written answer of one? Hello. हेलो भाग्या प्रज्ञा मिटा दे कि अभी लिखना है? सब लोग बोलिए। सब लोग बोलिए। May I have the board?
Yes.
Now, second one is that area of shaded region. Area of shaded region. Second. Answer of question number second. Area of equal to
Area of quadrant minus
area of quadrant
minus area of triangle.
minus area of triangle BOD।
DBO. हाँ सर वही DBO.
कुछ भी लिख दो
Yes, sir.
है ना।
Yes, sir.
अब इनको एरिया अभी अभी जस्ट निकाले हैं 9 पॉइंट
6
माइनस हाफ इंटू बेस
3.5
इंटू हाइट ये कट गया
9.6
9.62 माइनस
3.5
3.5
6.12
6.12 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर। Write down please. Completed. Okay, may I rub the board? Hello, Pragya. May I rub the board? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now next question. AB and CD, AB and CD are respectively arc of two concentric circle. क्या? Hello, please don't disturb. Concentric circle of radii 21 cm and 7 cm and center O. If angle AOB equal to 30 degree, find the area of shaded region. Find the area of shaded region. Now see the figure. This angle is given 30 degree. This length 7 centimeter and this length 21 centimeter. Now CBAB. This is a sided portion. Right? This is a sided portion. Clear? Now, in question, this figure is already part of the concentric circle. This figure is part of a concentric circle. Okay? Now, area of shaded region equal to area of sector OAB minus area of sector OCD, that is theta by 360 pi capital R, because this one is a bigger radius. कौन नेट है? वाईफाई हैं? ना ओके okay. Board is clear now? Hello. Good. Okay, thank you. 360 into pi r square. Then theta by 360 pi common. R square minus R square. Theta is given 30 degree by 360 into 22 by 7. 21 square minus 7 square. Then 1010 cancel. It will be 12. Then 12. It will also be cancelled. 11, 6. Then 11 by 6 into 7. 21 plus 7 into 21 minus 7. 11 by 6 into 7. It will be 28 minus 40. 2 times 3.
14.
Now 11 into 28 equal to 308 centimeter square. Area of sided region is equal to 308 centimeter square. Is it clear or not, Rishabh? हो गया. वीडियो भेज देना. स्क्रीनशॉट.
तो 3/3 होगा ना.
Okay, by 3. Right. Then 300. So it will be 105. Then you will write 100.26 centimeter square. This is the area of sided region. Okay. Anyone tell me what is clear on your video?
सर 102 होगा. कर लो divide.
Decimal clear.
नहीं सर डेसिमल के पहले 2 होगा जस्ट 102 डिवाइड कर लीजिए.
102 point. How much? Okay. See. Right. Again. After decimal you will write approx whatever. Okay. Just you see and write down all of you. 102.56. Right. Now can you permit me to rub the board? Hello. Oh God, do hurry up. Video वाला सब लिख लिया. Okay, now may I rub the board? Now next question. Now, again, next question. In figure, a square OAB is inscribed in a quadrant OPBQ if OA equal to 20 centimeter, find the area of shaded region. Find the area of okay. Use pi equal to 3.14. This is the figure. O A B B Q C, right? And OA is 20 behind. OA is 20 centimeter behind. Now we have to find the area of shaded region. Then it will this portion looking at a shaded,
Area of quadrant minus area of square.
right?
Diagonally connect.
Very good. In this figure, we can find easily area of a square, but we will have to find the radius before find the area of quadrant. Okay? So in a square, when we will join OB, it becomes a diagonal, and diagonal is known as a hypotenuse of a square, and diagonal is known as radius of the quadrant. Okay, so now we will join OA, and all side of a square is 20, that is same. Answer will be, first we will try to find radius in triangle AOB. OB square equal to OA square plus AB square by Pythagoras theorem, right? Then it will be 20 square plus 20 square, that is 400 plus 400, 800, that is 20 root 2 whole square,
The next
that is OB square.
answer.
Very good. Now square will cancel. OB equal to 20 root 2 centimeter. It means OB is the radius of this quadrant, this figure. So now area of shaded region. First you write down, then I will rub the board, then I will solve. All of you write down. May I rub the board? Hello.
Yes.
Online classes, please tell me, may I rub the board? Very good. Now I am going to find area of shaded region. Area of shaded region. Now area of shaded equal to area of quadrant minus area of the square. Now we will theta by 3. Okay, one thing more, in a square each angle must be equal to 90 degree, so theta by 360 into or आप ऐसे भी बना सकते हो, ठीक है, या पाई आर स्क्वायर मतलब 1/4 ऑफ क्वाड्रेंट है, तो पाई आर स्क्वायर बाई 4 भी कर सकते हो, इजी हो जाएगा। पाई आर स्क्वायर बाई 4 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर, देन 22/7 into 20√2 into 20√2 by 4 minus 20 square, then 5. Okay, question is that you will have to use 3.14 in place of pi. Instruction is already given. In place of pi you will have to use 3.14. 3.14. Then 3.14 100 into 400 into 400 minus 400, then equal to 1165 centimeter square. Okay, no. Right. पॉइंट तो 0 ले लिया, तो 6 5 ये तो केवल 12 होगा
सर यहाँ 28 है,
हैं?
यहाँ पे 200 है सर।
क्यों?
5
चलो बैठो। कैसे होगा टू? 5 into 20 100 और 2 into 2 ये तो डेसिमल का पोर्शन रहा। 25 जा 100 100 टू जा
200
राइट, यू आर राइट। ओके, देन तो 2 ही से तो करना है अब,
सर 620
तो ये हो गया
6 to 8 लिख लीजिए,
2 6 to 8
तब 28 पे जाएगा 28 राइट, यू आर राइट।
सर गलत,
अब क्या?
सर गलत था मेरा सर, सॉरी
नहीं,
वो वाला सर,
सर ये कुछ और बता, सब सही है सर।
ओके, राइट डाउन 228 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर इज राइट ना। ओके, राइट डाउन हरी आप। सबका now we are off the board. Okay, now next question. Now next question is that ट्रैक वाला ट्रैक ये ट्रायंगल वाला ओके नाउ वन मोर क्वेश्चन okay here is a question is that okay okay now I am going to close this video because time is over right tomorrow is holiday due to
Sunday.
due to Republic Day eh? due to and all listen all of you please a student of standard 10C are requested to please give your details like name, admission number, Aadhaar number, mobile number, address, roll number and color photo, 3 color photo. I think you will bring on Monday. Okay?